Dhanvi from class 5th.
Wow, what a colorful vibes around us.
Yes, today we are celebrating annual day in our school.
Yes, our dresses also so beautiful and very attractive.
Yeah, we are looking like a queens of SVPSC.
Yes, of course, Yakshagana, a popular traditional folk dance from, of coastal Karnataka and Kerala. It is a rare combination of dance, music, song, scholarly dialogue and the colorful costumes.
Yeah, proudly we are presenting some sequence of this heart from with collaboration of Bharatanatyam and Yakshagana.
Yes, hope you all enjoy the rare combination of two graceful acts in a single song.
Wow, we are eagerly waiting to perform before you with the belief that it is a great future to perform such as gracious art form.
Yes, my dear, we are gratifying you all to our performance. Let's call the queens of SVPSC onto the stage to perform a beautiful and traditional act to attract our audience. Thank you.
ಕೇಳ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾದದಲ್ಲಿ ಧೂಳಾಗಿ ನೀ ನಡೆವಾಗ ಕಚಗುಳಿನ ಇಡುವೆ ಹಂಸದ ಮನೆಯೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಹಂಸದ ನಡಿಗೆಗೆ ಸೋತ ಸೆಳೆಯುವ ಮಧುರ ಮಾತಿನ ಸೊಗಡಿಗೆ ತಂಗಿ
Wow, the music, your dance, and the color. It was feeling like I'm in heaven. What a performance! Audience, how was the dance? Audience, how was the dance? Yeah, it's really memorable and remarkable. And it was so creative dance by the girls. And it was well choreographed by Raj Dance Academy. Thank you, Raj sir. Thank you so much, my dear girls, for this lovable dance.
And now I would like to call upon a king and queens of Vishnupriya from the class first for performing a graceful and mass dance in front of you.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನಂಬರ್